जय माँ, वेलकम टू स्वामीजी's किचन। आज है ना मैं I have leftover काला चना and sprouted green मूंग, मतलब पहले बनाया था and then it was a lot, so I just kept it and I thought, let me think what I should make from this, So I have thought of making a Khatti Meethi Sabzi with the Kala Chana and sprouted Mung, and it tastes very good. So this is, it's all here, and once I move the camera I'll show you exactly what I have. So we'll start doing that, we'll make that sabzi and I'll show you how I'm doing it, and I hope all of you are well. Now first let me tell you the benefits of sprouted Mung, okay, the green Mung. It improves digestion, prevents anemia, helps in weight control, good for cardiovascular health, improves eyesight. And benefits of Kala Chana. It is an incredible source of vitamins like B6, C, folate, niacin, thiamin, riboflavin, and minerals including magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, iron, and copper. The wealth of nutrients in Kala Chana is beneficial in boosting the immune system, promote muscle mass, regulates diabetes, and enhance hair, skin, and nails. So there's a lot to it, and I thought I have to tell you all this, and we'll begin. Okay? चलिए गैस चालू करिए. Put the pan. Add oil like 1 tablespoon, and then you add jeera 1 teaspoon, hing, see, these are all the things here. This is the Kala Chana, this is the sprouted Mung. So once this kind of crackles, we will add adrak mirchi paste. Adrak mirchi paste. Take a teaspoon. Crackle हो रहा है. अब इसमें मैं 1 chopped टमाटो वो डाल दूंगी. Stir, and we'll add a little bit of salt in this so that the cooking process is fast. Salt. मैंने काला चना का कुछ बनाया था. I don't remember now what I made, but I had boiled a lot. So ये सब रात को भी I soaked this, the Kala Chana and the Mung, and next morning I have boiled everything, and the sprouts came out very fast. Yummy. तो मैंने सोचा चलो इसकी मैं सब्जी बना देती हूँ. And we can have it with paratha, roti, jawar roti, anything. Now once this is being done, I will add all the sukha masala in it. Red chilli powder, and put the flame on medium. Turmeric, haldi powder, not even half a chammach. Dhaniya powder, you stir. It's all regular masalas, no rocket science in this, but it tastes so good. ये mix हुआ. Then we'll add a little bit of garam masala. Very little. I will write down everything. It's all in the description box, so you can just check it out. Now I will add a little bit of water because we don't want the masalas to burn. ये थोड़ा सॉफ्ट होने दीजिए टमाटर को. Then we do the rest. I boiled one potato, so I'm going to mash it up and throw it in the gravy. Add it in the gravy. So we can take a little more water. And once it softens, then I'll come back. Now it's softening, and I put the flame on slow, and I'm adding jaggery powder. Good. If you don't have powder, you can add a whole big piece of gur because it's khatta meetha. Okay. Then we mix this. Nicely we mix it. It will mix very quickly. And then I take a potato and I'm mashing it. ऐसे बस मैश करके अंदर डाल दीजिए. Now I'll just wash my hands and come back. Now mix. Mix everything nicely. The potatoes, the flame is on medium now. It's very tasty with roti, paratha, jawari, whatever. You can use that. Now I'll put the flame on slightly high. We will add the Kala Chana first and then the Mung. In goes the Kala Chana. You stir it. And then we add the Mung. 1 cup I've taken. And stir it. Once you stir it, then you will get an idea कि कितना गाढ़ा है और आपको कितना रसा चाहिए, तरी कितनी चाहिए. You can have it latpat also like this, or you can have a little bit of gravy. थोड़ी तरी बना सकते हैं. I'll show you. This is already cooked because you boiled है. तो इसको ज़्यादा कुक करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. ये हुआ. उसके बाद we will take amchur, मैंगो पाउडर. क्योंकि खट्टा मीठा है तो मैंगो पाउडर डालिए. नाइस. ये हुआ मिक्स. And once it is done, you can always try and see whether खट्टा मीठा बैलेंस ठीक है कि नहीं है. अगर आपको बैलेंस ठीक नहीं लगा तो उस हिसाब से कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. ये हुआ. Then on top you can add 2-3 slit green chillies like this. Mix. और थोड़ा मुझे पानी चाहिए. बिकॉज इसमें आलू है ना, पोटैटो, तो उसकी वजह से वो गाढ़ा हो जाएगा जल्दी. And then you add a lot of hara dhaniya while serving. So I'll show you once this is over. Now we are ready to serve. So take a serving bowl, and it is yummy, really yummy. इसमें डालिए sprouted mung and Kala Chana Khatti Meethi Sabzi. It's delicious. Switch off the flame and take hara dhaniya, sprinkle, and see it is ready. Yummy. Have it with paratha. You can have it with jawar roti. That's what I have it with. Jai Ma. So you saw this is mung, sprouted mung and kala chana ki khatti meethi sabzi. So I have it with roti or something, and it's really nice. You can improvise anything and do. You know, if you have any leftovers like I did right now, you can do that too. So try it, let me know, please comment, share, subscribe, please do that. And I shall see you next time. Thank you for watching. Jai Ma.